मैम मेरा पेज खोलो।
Page
मेरा पेज
number.
खोलो।
All right, Ash. Good. When you're ready with your books, give me a thumbs up. When you're ready with your books, give me a thumbs up.
मैम पेज नंबर
Maths book, page number 130, Myra, Hania, Vedant. Maths book, page number 130. Maths book, Vedant. Page number 130. Myra, page number 130. Maths book, page number 130. वेदांत, आपको बुक अपने आप ओपन करनी है बेटे. Page number 130. Now we are going to do something new today, that's called measurement. Measurement means किसी चीज को मापना, उसका साइज पता करना. For example, look here. This is a pencil box. Can you all see this? And if I want to know the size of the pencil box, then I will have to measure this. हमें ये मापना पड़ेगा. इसका साइज क्या है? This will be called the length. जो लंबा वाला साइड है, this is called the length. Okay, when we have to measure the size of this pencil box, तो हम पहले इसको measure करेंगे. और measure करने के लिए हम लोग कुछ चीज़ों का use करते हैं. For example, we use a scale. All of you know what's a scale? We use this to draw lines, and there are some markings here. We make use of these markings to measure things. Then we also use our hands. For example, कभी कभी आप क्या करते हैं, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ अगर आप खेल रहे होते हैं तो आप लोग क्या करते हैं, ऐसे करके अपना फेस मेजर करते हैं. Do this, all of you. You measure. This is called span. From the small finger till your thumb, this is one span. हम अपना फेस ऐसे करके मेजर कर सकते हैं. आप बोलते हैं ना, देखो मेरा फेस इतना बड़ा है. यस. या फिर कभी कभी हम लोग अपने हाथ को भी यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई हैव दिस बुक, ओके, एंड आई वॉन्ट टू मेजर दिस बुक, आई वॉन्ट टू मेजर द लेंथ ऑफ दिस, इसका साइज मुझे पता करना है, तो आई विल ईदर मेक यूज ऑफ द स्केल, या हम अपने स्पैन से ऐसे मेजर कर सकते हैं, लाइक दिस. ओके, so these are the different ways that we use to measure things. चीज़ों को मापने के लिए, उनका साइज पता करने के लिए हम लोग स्केल यूज करते हैं, स्पैन यूज करते हैं, एंड समटाइम्स वी यूज दिस ऑल्सो. फ्रॉम योर एल्बो टिल योर पाम, यहाँ से यहाँ तक किसी चीज़ को मेजर करने के लिए, अगर आपके सामने कोई चीज़ है, आपको उसे मेजर करना है, आप बोलते हैं देखो इसका साइज यहाँ से यहाँ तक आ रहा है. राइट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स इन दिस लेसन. नाउ लुक एट पेज नंबर 130. You have beautiful pictures given here, very colorful pictures. It says longer, shorter. Longer means जो ज़्यादा लंबा है, shorter means जो उससे छोटा है. For example, I have two pencils here. Look at these pencils. Can you see these pencils in my hand? Give me a thumbs up. All right. Now look at this pencil. And look at this pencil. Can you see both the pencils? Give me a thumbs up. One pencil is black in color, one pencil is red. Now Sidra, you tell me which is the longer one. कौन सी पेंसिल ज़्यादा लंबी है, the black or the red?
मैम ब्लैक.
Black, very good. The black pencil is longer and the red pencil is the shorter one. Right? Now, look at the exercise given over there. Tick the longer one. Tick the longer one. And you have the picture of a snake and a caterpillar there. Can you see? The snake is the longer one and caterpillar is the shorter one. And if you remember, children, when we started studying the concepts in maths, beginning of the year, then we had done big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest. In the same way, you have a B made over there and it says long, short, longer, shorter, longest, shortest. Long, longer, short, shorter, longest, shortest. Longest means सबसे बड़ा and shortest means सबसे छोटा. Now you have some objects made here. The first object that is called a spade. जमीन से जब आपको मिट्टी निकालनी होती है, मोस्टली द मालीज, द गार्डनर्स यूज इट. अगर किसी के घर में गार्डन है तो आपने देखा होगा जो गार्डनर होता है वो डिग करता है, मड निकालता है. ही यूजेस अ स्पेड. सो यू हैव द पिक्चर ऑफ टू स्पेड्स. वन इज लॉन्गर एंड वन इज shorter. So you have to tick the longer one. You have a green color spade? Yes?
मैंने छोटा पे देखा और बड़ा पे देखा.
Okay, that's very good. So you have pictures given over here. Look at the spade. One spade handle is green and another spade handle is yellow. Just like I showed you one long and one short pencil. I showed you in the same way you have the pictures given over there, the longer spade and the shorter spade. Now Myra, look at the pictures carefully and tell me which object is longer, which spade is longer, the one with the green handle or the one with the yellow handle. स्पेड को ध्यान से देखिए और आपको बताना है कौन सा वाला ज्यादा लंबा है. The longer one, जिसका येलो हैंडल है या जिसका ग्रीन हैंडल है. Myra? Yes? Which one is longer? The one with the green handle or the one with the yellow handle? Look at the picture carefully. Okay, Parth is raising his hand. All right, Parth. Can you tell me? The one with the yellow handle. That's right. Very good. The one with the yellow handle. Thank you, Parth. Myra, have you got it? The one with the yellow handle is the longer object. So all of you put a tick on the one with the yellow handle. Now the next object we have is the next object. Taiba, can you see in the picture? What's the next object? Unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what's the next object near the spade?
Ma'am. Pencil.
Pencils, that's right. Now look at both the pencils and tell me which is the longer one. The red or the blue one?
Ma'am, red.
Red one. Okay, thank you, Taiba. Children, put a tick on the red pencil. Now, moving further, come to the right hand side. It said cross the shorter object. Now you have to put a cross on the shorter one. जो छोटा वाला है उस पर आपको cross लगाना है. Yes, Vedant. Vedant, can you hear me? Unmute yourself. We have two lines, green color line. One is the longer one is the shorter one. So ऊपर वाली long है कि नीचे वाली long है? कौन सी वाली long है?
नीचे वाली.
ऊपर वाली.
दोनों लाइंस को ध्यान से देखिए. ऊपर वाली long है तो नीचे वाली क्या है? Short.
Short.
नीचे वाली लाइन short है, the shorter line. Now you have to put a cross on the shorter line. you have to put a cross on the shorter line, children. We have two lines given there. Look at the board. See if you can. We have a longer line and we have a shorter line. So put a cross on the shorter line. Can you see the board?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, I have crossed the shorter line. So you also do the same. You also do the same. Okay. Now moving to the next one. Vani?
Ma'am.
Yes?
मैम मैंने एक और क्रॉस मैंने सारे ऊपर ही लगाए हैं उनके.
All right. Now longest and shortest. Longest means सबसे लंबी वाली and shortest means सबसे छोटा वाला. Now look at the lines, the ropes given over there. You have ropes given over there. Look at the ropes, children. We have one rope like this. Then we have another rope that is longer. And we have a green color rope. See the green color rope there. Can you see the green color rope? Give me a thumbs up. Okay, Avni, everybody is giving a thumbs up. Good. Now, Avni, you tell me which is the longest rope? सबसे लंबी वाली. We will name them 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll give them names 1, 2, 3. Now tell me which number? सबसे लंबी longest कौन सी है? Number 1, number 2 or number 3?
मैम 3.
3, very good. So, the third rope is the longest. Now, look at the crayons given on the right hand side. You have red, green and blue, 3 color crayons. And their size is different. All the 3 crayons, the sizes are different. Now, Vani, you will tell me which crayon is the shortest.
Ma'am, blue one.
Blue one, very good. The blue one is the shortest. So, longest means sabse lamba and shortest means sabse chota. Now, we have an exercise given over there, children. Tick the longest stick. Sticks are given there. You know what is a stick, all of you? All of you know what is a stick? Alia, do you know what is a stick? Alia, can you hear me? Alia, can you hear me? What is a stick? Stick किसको बोलते हैं आलिया? Okay, रोशनी. Yes, रोशनी.
मैम लकड़ी को
छड़ी को. Yes, that's called a stick. Very good, Roshni. Thank you. Alia, pay attention, child. So, we have 3 different sizes over here. Now, you have a big size stick there and you have a blue color box made there. Right? We have a blue color box made over there. Then we have another stick which is shorter than that. And we have another box that is yellowish in color. Right? And then we have one more stick over there. We have another stick over there. And we have a pink color box there. Now, you have to look at all the 3 sticks. आपको 3 sticks को देखना है. उसके बाद हमें बताना है कौन सी stick longest है, सबसे लंबी. अहमद, Ahmed, you have to look at the sticks and then tell me which is the longest. हम लोग किस वाले बॉक्स में टिक लगाएंगे? ब्लू बॉक्स में, येलोइश वाला जो बॉक्स है, या पिंक बॉक्स? किस में टिक करेंगे? Longest blue box. That's right. The first one, right? The blue box. So all of you put a tick there. Bhavika, put a tick. Have you done it?
मैम कर दिया टिक, पर मैम ये बताइए आपने इसमें क्या करवाया था क्रेयॉन कलर वाले में?
Bhavika, you have to pay attention, child. We are doing page number 130, longest and shortest. The second, the same sum. जो sticks बनी हुई है, see the board. हमने board पर भी draw करी है sticks.
बात कर रही हूँ.
Can you see the sticks?
बात कर रही हूँ.
Have you put a tick on the longest stick, Bhavika?
Ma'am, the blue crayon.
The blue crayon is the shortest. उसमें आपको कुछ नहीं करना है. Okay, you just listen to me. The next one where you have to put a tick on the sticks. You have to put a tick on the longest stick, and that is the first one. The blue box you put a tick on. Now we are moving on to the next one. Tick the shortest scale. सबसे छोटा scale पर आपको tick लगाना है. Children, look at all the scales given there. Bhavika, can you see the scales? Bhavika, can you see the scales? Now tell me, which scale are we going to put a tick against? किस वाले बॉक्स में हम टिक करेंगे?
आपने किस कहा था?
भाविका, पे अटेंशन. वहां पर 3 साइज के स्केल हैं.
स्मॉलर वाले को टिक करना.
सबसे शॉर्टेस्ट, जो सबसे छोटा वाला साइज. तो हम किस वाले बॉक्स में टिक करेंगे भाविका?
थर्ड वाले पे.
थर्ड वाले में, द पिंक बॉक्स. Children, put a tick on the pink one. All right, and make sure you put today's date on that page. Page number 130, put today's date there. Now moving to page number 131. When we find out how long or how tall a thing is, it is called measuring the length or height. अब अगर हम किसी चीज़ को measure करते हैं, हमें पता करना है वो चीज़ कितनी लंबी है या how tall it is. Then we use the length or height. For example, I showed you the pencil box. अब हमें इस पेंसिल बॉक्स की हाइट पता करनी है. All right, like you also have your heights. कभी कभी क्या होता है, घर पे मम्मी बोलती है ना, अरे आप कितने लंबे होते जा रहे हैं, ऐसे बोलती है मम्मी ना, आप लंबे हो गए. So that is your height. आपकी जो लंबाई है, that is your height. So now you have some lines drawn here. Draw lines which are longer than the given lines. यहाँ पर कुछ lines बनी हैं, आपको उनसे भी लंबी lines बनानी है. So take your scale in your hand, all of you. Pick your scale up, all of you. Pick your scale up.
मैम.
Yes.
उसके बगल में यानी कि नहीं?
Yes, उसके बगल में ऐसे करके बॉक्स बना हुआ है.
मैम.
And you have a line drawn there. See here.
Excuse me, मैम.
Yes.
मैम मैं नीचे बना दूं?
Okay. अब इससे लंबी लाइन आपको बनानी है. जो लाइन वहां पर बनी है उससे लंबी लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है. Come on, draw it. Use your scale. Use your scale, children. See, I have done it. You also do.
मैम
Yes.
हमें ऊपर आनी है.
Yes. Finish. Now I'm doing the second one.
मैम सारी बच्चों में बनानी है.
Next is a standing line. You have to draw a line longer than this. So I have drawn here. You also draw it using your scale. जो लाइंस बनी है उससे लंबी लाइन आपको बनानी है.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मैंने बना दिया.
You finish Abdul? Okay, good.
मैम
Now, after you finish this, okay, now we will stop here because your time is over. We will continue in the next class tomorrow with next work. But remember, today's work, ये जो lines draw करने का भी आप काम कर रहे थे, इसको complete करेंगे and you will click the pictures and send it to me. You will click the pictures. You will send the pictures to me, page number 131. Only the first exercise where you have to draw longer lines. Alright, that you will complete and send the pictures to me in the group. I want to see how you have done it. Right? So thank you.
Me, ma'am.
Yes.
I have done, ma'am.
Okay, Sidra, good. You can send me the pictures. And children, don't make PDFs. Send me the pictures, images. Alright, thank you. Now you can leave.
Ma'am.
Thank you, children.